presenting the highly anticipated video you've been waiting for. After an extended period, we've curated a collection of fantastic inventions, tailored for your garage, that I'm certain you'll adore. These impressive, cool gadgets are definitely worth your attention. Let's jump to the video. Dry ice possesses numerous applications, and one intriguing use is its ability to repel mosquitoes. However, as our focus centers on automotive products, we are thrilled to introduce you to an innovative blasting system that incorporates dry ice for car cleaning. Such cutting-edge systems were exclusively available in large shops and came with a hefty price tag exceeding $15,000 in the past. This specific edition, however, deviates from that custom by providing a less expensive alternative for $7,000 instead. With its compact size and weight of 19 kilograms, it proves to be an ideal choice for working in tight spaces and effectively cleaning those hard-to-reach areas. The system's operating pressures ranging from 2 to 8 bar ensure the safe and efficient cleaning of both plastic and metal surfaces. Moreover, the manufacturer emphasizes that this cleaning method is not only highly effective, but also more cost-effective compared to other alternatives. Australia's impact on the world extends far beyond just the iconic band AC/DC. Let's take a look at some remarkable innovations, such as platforms capable of rotating entire concert halls, while also serving as an ingenious car parking solution. The team behind these creations has extensive experience collaborating with clients from diverse countries, like Singapore and Canada, ensuring a personalized approach tailored to their needs. One noteworthy advantage of these platforms is the significant cost-saving aspect, particularly when it comes to parking. It's worth mentioning that in year 2015, a single parking space in Sydney was sold for hundreds of thousands of dollars, making the innovation even more valuable in the context of modern urban challenges. Have you ever taken note of the challenging positions in which auto mechanics have to work? Providing them with added comfort could be highly beneficial, and this Canadian-made chair offers an excellent solution. It's a custom-made chair, which means it takes approximately 10 weeks to produce, but the weight it carries is definitely worth the wait. One outstanding feature is its adjustable backrest, which can be set anywhere from 10 to 75 degrees using a motor, ensuring optimal support and comfort. To power this extraordinary chair, two 18-volt batteries are utilized, and its robust wheels are appropriately named the Beast, guaranteeing smooth movement, even in challenging workshop environments. The chair also boasts practical trays on the sides, designed to hold tools and parts, making the mechanics' work more efficient and organized. Additionally, if any specific customizations are needed, the manufacturer is more than willing to accommodate such requests. In fact, the chair is so versatile and functional that it would be entirely suitable for use, even in an aircraft factory. Skilled professionals recognize its value and gladly invest $4,000 in this high-quality product. The astute manufacturers of smart home products have recently broadened their product range to encompass accessories designed specifically for garages. This expansion comes as no surprise, given the projected global number of cars reaching an astounding 2 billion within a mere couple of years. After all, who wouldn't aspire to possess the most intelligent and cutting-edge garage in the entire neighborhood? Let me share with you what they have to offer. They offer a parking assistant that is ideal for accommodating 1 or 2 vehicles. Additionally, they provide a gate sensor that allows you to effortlessly verify if the garage is closed at any given time. Moreover, there's a pump available with an 8-meter hose capable of handling up to 8.5 atmospheres of pressure. Furthermore, an extension cord is also available, featuring 3 outlets with an 8-meter cord. Lastly, they present a state-of-the-art lighting and sound system that seamlessly integrates with smartphones and other smart garage elements. For approximately $600, you can obtain the entire set, and what makes it even better is that all the devices can be effortlessly controlled through a single app. Furthermore, the installation process is straightforward and hassle-free. By incorporating these accessories into your garage, you can fully optimize its functionality and enjoy a host of benefits. Even celebrities are not exempt from car theft incidents, as demonstrated by unfortunate incidents involving some well-known figures. For instance, John Travolta experienced the theft of his 1970 Mercedes-Benz 280 SL directly from the street while he took a little break. Similarly, Miley Cyrus fell victim to car theft when her Maserati Quattroporte mysteriously disappeared from her garage. Given these circumstances, it's undoubtedly worthwhile to give serious thought to these garage defense systems. With prices starting from $583, they present an opportunity to effectively discourage potential thieves. Basically, these systems act as mini barriers, backed by a reliable 10-year warranty, and even provide the flexibility to incorporate an alarm system for added security. With the activation of this alarm, a powerful siren is triggered, which has the potential to deter and scare away potential criminals effectively. Simultaneously, the system sends an immediate notification to the owner's smartphone, keeping them informed of any suspicious activity. Moreover, the mini barrier, constructed from robust 33mm thick steel, can realistically span up to 2.7 meters, showcasing its impressive strength, capable of supporting the weight of 3 individuals. Introducing the timeless classic in the form of a jack, renowned for its durability and reliability. This version, capable of lifting 3 tons, comes at an affordable price of just $140. Making it a cost-effective choice for vehicle owners. With its exceptional functionality, it can raise a vehicle up to approximately 60 centimeters from the ground, and it offers both practicality and convenience. The lifting process is made even more comfortable by a conveniently long handle, measuring 114 centimeters, ensuring a smooth and effortless experience. The upcoming jack model incorporates a rapid pump system, housing 2 pumps, thereby enhancing efficiency for quicker tasks. Its wide steel rollers further guarantee stability while in operation. Furthermore, these ramps serve as an ideal companion to the jack, seamlessly complementing its functionality. Crafted by the video's creator, these ramps enabled him to effortlessly elevate the car by up to 23 centimeters, demonstrating their impeccable performance. The BeadBuster team exudes confidence in their product, the XB452, touting it as the finest portable tire bead breaker worldwide. Their pride is well justified, given that this versatile tool extends its assistance across a spectrum of vehicles, from go-karts and ATVs to trucks, regardless of rim diameter or material. Weighing in at under 2 kilograms, it's easily portable and can be stowed, not just in a trunk, but also in a bag, making it a perfect choice for mobile crews. The ingenious clamp is meticulously designed to prevent any unsightly scratches, dents, or imperfections on the rims, leading to the acquisition of a patent for this very innovation. At a price of $149, this tool represents a reasonable investment for its incredible utility.